Hi guys, this is a complete timetable for all the exams, NMAT, CAT, SNAP, CMAT, CET, IFT, all the other exams. But the moment I remove CAT from equation, you will find that suddenly your confidence goes up. CAT नहीं करना तो tension ही नहीं है. So this video I want to focus on the non-CAT exam. I've got many students. In fact, I made the video as well. Student who got 10 percentile in CAT, 10 percentile converted test. Girl who got 50 percentile in CAT, she got 90 percentile in SIMB. Obviously not a great percentile, but 90 percentile. Guy with 45 percentile in CAT, 45 या 55, CET 99.95. I have recorded their video. I'm not faking it up. I've made the videos of all these people. This is to motivate you guys. The moment I focus on non-CAT exam, there is life beyond CAT as well. I want to make a video on that. Yeah, there are more good colleges in non-CAT exam than in CAT exam. That is IIMs, obviously only comparing with the IIMs. So this is my plan for the non-CAT exam. I just removed CAT from the equation. So there's another video for CAT. This is non-CAT exam. So starting today, exactly 8 months after today, you will be giving the CET exam. Yeah, exact 8 months from today. Fine. So why I'm comparing with CET? Because CET is the main exam. Every exam is based on CET. Yeah, NMAT broke out of CET. SIMB is master based again, based on CET. All the exam, in fact IFT as well. IFT ka pattern is completely based on CET minus the GK part. Everything, all the exams are kind of copying it from CET. I'm not saying copying is a very strong word, but yeah, they are kind of based on that. Logic is same, everything is same. So that's why the CET become the bigger bucket. Yeah. So number one part to prepare for this exam is the books. I want you to change the books. I don't want you to study from CAT ka books. You will be feeling demotivated if you open up the CAT ka books, number one. Number two, the preparation, the pattern, everything is different. I don't want to see CAT ka question in the CET exam or SNAP exam or NMAT exam. Then why should I look at them? Why to make my books that thing? Most of the coaching classes is giving you one set of books. See, all the major classes is only focused on CAT. Why? Because CAT is going to be my cash cow. Yeah, I can charge 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 for the CAT exam. But for the CET SNAP, I cannot charge you more than 20, 25,000 max to max. Yeah, so then why to focus on chota mota exam? Let's focus on main exam, which is CAT. Yeah, so but on the other hand, we talk about the non-CAT exam. So from today, from this week onward, there will be a dedicated video coming for the non-CAT exams. Yeah, so that we are dividing ourselves into two parts. Fine, those who are giving CAT, I'll also talk about the other exam, but this is a pure non-CAT exam ka main thing. Yeah, main video. Number one, book. So change the book. So in case you want to go for the CET, you can go for the black books. If you're going for CET and other exams, you can go for black books and blue books, olive books. If you're only going for the non-CAT exam, blue books are more than sufficient. Blue or olive, you can pick up any of the sets, is more than sufficient. We have created dedicated pack. For example, one student was arguing with me, okay, sir, I'm only giving SNAP and MET. Then I should buy black book or olive books. Then if you're not giving CET, olive books, simple. If you're giving CET, black books. That's my simple way to understand. Fine. How to plan your study? I want you to complete everything by Diwali. I'm giving you the major target. By Diwali, I should be done with my black books, olive books, blue books, whichever books you are going for. Diwali is your main. Diwali kab hai? Kab hai Diwali? Diwali is on November 14th. By November 14th, I want you to be expert in this thing. Yeah. And we'll set up a target. For example, if you're giving CET, your target by Diwali is 80 marks or maybe 100 marks, depending on how good or how bad you are. For SNAP exam, your target is 50 marks. For IFT exam, your target is 30 marks, 25 marks. Yeah, and for CMAT, your target is 200 marks. मुझे exam देखने का ही नहीं है. We are going to make that. I'm going to make that earlier videos as well आगे जाके. After Diwali, I'm only going to give mocks. I'm not going to touch my books. Promise yourself this thing. I'm not going to touch my books after Diwali. Yeah. After Diwali, only mocks pe mocks, test pe test. I am setting up a target to complete my basics and I'll be giving a few mocks till then. So by the time Diwali comes, I want to give a mock every 15 days. Then I'll increase the number of mocks. Yeah, now NMAT is going to happen before Diwali. Yeah, or around Diwali. So obviously for that, I need to push up my target if you're giving NMAT. Otherwise for every exam, Diwali acts as a very good challenge. Yeah, so Diwali tak mujhe sab kuch khatam chahiye. Fine. Main part of the non-CAT exam is speed. This is a major difference between the CAT and non-CAT. CAT is a test match. आराम से खेलो, कम बॉल खेलो. Like I just made a video on CAT. 10 question correct in CAT is your IIM call. 10 question out of 34 is IIM call. CET on the other hand, SNAP on the other hand, NMAT is a speed game. NMAT, anyone who have given NMAT exam, they can please comment your NMAT, SNAP, CET, which exam you given. Please comment your experience. It was like boof. कब शुरू हुआ कब खत्म हुआ, स्पेशली वर्बल सेक्शन 22 मिनट्स का टाइम टू डू 32 क्वेश्चन. वो कब स्टार्ट होता है कब खत्म होता है, लाइक बुफ इज गॉन. सेम वे CET, वन पजल रॉन्ग और मीलों की दूरी. पता है वो जो एक गलत कदम और मीलों की दूरी. सेम वे all the non-CAT exam, speed is the main thing. So I want you to focus on speed. For that you can join our workshops, you can join our Do or Die program. We are launching Do or Die program which is called CET++ for all the exams. Only CET के लिए CET program. So there are two programs we have, CET++ and only CET, in which you want to focus up only on CET exam, all the other exam as well. Or if you're following my weekly homework on cetking.com/weekly, I'm giving the weekly target which includes CAT as well. Yeah, so if you look at the timetable, only 1 day extra we are spending on CAT. बाकी सब कुछ common ही है. Yeah, so this is what we're going to track. But trust me, everything is different. The moment I talk about the CAT exam and non-CAT exam, everything is different. RC तक different है. RC तो same होना चाहिए, but RC different है. SNAP RC, CET RC is more facts based, more fact based than inference based. CAT is pure inference based. Same way DI logic, CAT DI is logic based DI. CET, SNAP, NMAT is pure calculation based DI. Yeah, जो CAT में नहीं आने वाला. So why to focus on that exam? Why to open up those books? Yeah, so change the books, change the mocks, speed. These are the three things you need: speed, mocks, and books. CAT ka people are going to obviously appear for the other exam as well. Yeah, so they are going to become our competitor. Fine, but after CAT exam, your motivation level is down. Those are giving CAT exam, they're tired. बस हो गया यार, CAT के बाद I just can't open up the books. Those are giving CAT and CET both, for example, this is my experience every year. After CAT, they take a 1 month break. They become active on January after that. After that, we are starting for the CET exam. It's very, very late. हम लोग भी वही करने वाले हैं, but I want to give the mock from now onwards. हफ्ते में एक, हर 15 days में एक mock. Yeah. So those are giving CAT. Those are giving CAT and CET. 1 week CAT, 1 week CET, 1 week CAT, 1 week NMAT, SNAP, CMAT, जो भी करो alternate week. Those are only giving non-CAT exam, CET, SNAP, NMAT, CET, IFT. So keep giving all the exams. Yeah. So those are joining CET++. You have all the exams in your login ID. So I wanted to focus on all the exams. Are you getting point? So let's make a study plan for the non-CAT exam. This is your simple target. मुझे दिवाली तक बस खत्म करना सब कुछ. My game, I want to make it over by Diwali. Yeah, see those who are thinking okay, it's too late for CAT, this and that, this is going the mind of the CAT people. If I change my track, Diwali तक मैं सब कुछ खत्म कर दूँ, after that you will be feeling very, very confident. In fact, those who are giving CAT as well, if Diwali, December 24th, if you can complete everything, December 14th to 29th, if you can give me 15 days for the CAT exam, we can do wonders in the CAT exam also. 15 दिन मांगूंगा बस, अभी नहीं मांग रहा, मैं कुछ नहीं मांग रहा, मैं लास्ट में आके बोल रहा हूँ, लास्ट में आके, अभी नहीं, अभी तक पूरा नॉन पेड. वी आर गोइंग टू गिव CAT का एग्जाम यूजिंग ब्लैक बुक. इनफैक्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट दिस ईयर. आई एम गोइंग टू स्पॉन्सर 2, 3, 5 स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट गिविंग CAT एग्जाम, या टू गिव CAT एग्जाम मेरे लिए, कि मेरी जान तो 15 दिन पढ़ के बस CAT दे किया. लेट्स सी द चेंज. एंड you will be surprised to know they scored more marks because टेंशन नहीं है. The people who are giving CAT on the pressure में CAT कैसे होएगा, जो CAT के टेंशन ले रहा वो फ्रंट फुट पे खेलेगा. Getting my point? So that's my experiment. I do all these फालतू thing every year. Then you don't look at that. Fine. But your focus is this thing, non-CAT. दिवाली तक पूरा complete. उसके बाद mock पे mock, test पे test. So launching this program in which include books, speed, shortcuts, and mocks. In case you want to join us for the program, we are doing live classes as well every day, basic and advanced. If you want to join this program, you are most welcome to join the program. In the description box, I given the detail for that. Yeah. So today at 12 o'clock, I'm going to go live now and talk about the strategy part. Any question which are left, I'm going to take those questions. All right. All the best.